Day 20. Just wanted to quickly share with you guys the gifts that I received from my coworkers and friends today. This one is from Cheryl. She always gets me some amazing item from Michael Kors because she works there on the weekends. And this is like a wallet slash clutch because it's actually quite roomy inside, so you can fit your phone as well. Let me see if I can do this one-handed. Don't want to harm it, but I love this kind of pattern, and this pink shade goes with a purse that she's gotten me in the past. Sorry, this is hard to show, but see how it's like one pocket for all of your cards and stuff, and then there's like a wider pocket here to put your phone so you can hold it like a clutch. So pretty. And then Nella got me this gift. She got me a Grinch little cup, which of course she got my friend Janet one too, since we call her the Grinch at the office. And then she made some of her salsa, which I've had a little taste at work earlier today. It's super spicy and amazing. Her and Janet both make amazing salsas, so I was super excited to receive that. And then look how beautiful this is actually a candle, but it looks like a macaron. Isn't that so beautiful? And then once I use the candle up, I could totally use this as a little trinket box. I think it's so pretty. I'm about to run some errands. I have a Target order to pick up. I'm gonna be baking some cookies today. I have some more presents to wrap. It is my day off, thankfully, so I have lots of time to get things done. Just have an Arizona State sweatshirt on. It's from Victoria's Secret Pink though, from like almost a century ago. Oh, I hate saying it, but it's true. Okay, so let's go pick up some goods. Okay, don't judge me. I'm back home and I decided to get a little something at Jack in the Box. I was really craving their tacos. That's why I'm saying don't judge me, because I know so many people probably do not like their tacos and I have to be in the mood for them. And it's like $1.29, I think, for 2 tacos. So that's what I ended up getting. I don't know if I'll eat both tacos fully, because really I love the crunchy part. I already took a bite in the car. I love the crunchy part and not so much the middle. Sometimes it's too soggy. Today they made them really good, and I'm also gonna use some of Nella's salsa instead of using their hot sauce packs. I'm gonna use her homemade salsa, and it has habanero in it too. And I have my little spoon here. I'm just gonna scoop a little tiny bit because I know it's spicy. I had it yesterday. You can't have this, Holly. Holly's right next to me trying to eat it. Oh my gosh. Her salsa elevates it so much. I got some new cards in the mail. This one's from Carissa and Zach, my friends, and they're cute dogs. Look at, my goodness, how cute is that? It's like they're all ornaments. And it has a really sweet message on the back of it. So thank you, Carissa. And then this one's from my dad in Florida. And then I sent myself my card because that's the only way I was going to be able to get a copy of it, because I had them sent directly from Shutterfly. This was supposed to be foiled, so I'm a little bit annoyed that it's matte everywhere, but it's fine. It's simplistic, I guess. And then it's like a very, very pale pink. And then I also realized I never showed you guys day 18 in my advent calendar. I got this adorable little miniature Nutella. Look how cute that is. And let's go open day 20 now. Okay, time to do the calendars. Day 20. Let's see, 21, 22, there's 20. Marzipan nougat, almonds and hazelnut, and it's definitely melted. Let me try to get this out. And 5 more days till Christmas. Day 5 on this calendar. Oh, something with candy cane, it looks like. Candy cane shimmer body wash. Love the packaging, how cute. All right, if it's empty, that means it's a bag. Yep, it's a bag. Let's go grab it. fuzzy socks. And they have little Santas on the front. How cute. And I love these kind that have the grips on the back, because then I'm not worried about sliding around. Super cute. I'm about to make a double batch of Oreo truffles. Got to crush the Oreos right now, but I got 2 things of cream cheese, and I'm about to watch this movie called That Christmas on Netflix. It's a new, like, animated Christmas movie. This is the food processor that I use that was my grandma's. Still going strong. Here's what the cookie crumb looks like, nice and fine. I'm filling the cute little DIY jars. And I did take the smile off this one. I'm about to take the smile off this one because you guys did help me and said that you also kind of saw the clown face, but he's so cute without it. And I need to put a gift card in there still, but I'm filling them with some candies. These Grinch ones are so cute, though. I had to show you. Look how stinking cute. The Grinch. Then you have his heart, you know, that grows 3 times. Merry Grinchmas. And then this one has Max. Aren't they so cute? And then I also mixed them with some of the Santa hat ones. And here is my Oreo truffle mix with the cream cheese and the Oreo crumb. So now I'm going to put this in the fridge overnight, and then I'll make the Oreo truffles and dip them in the white chocolate and decorate them tomorrow. I also got these really cute little gingerbread men tins to put the Oreo truffles in. I think they're going to be the perfect size. I'm guessing that these will hold about 7, maybe 8 truffles, so we'll see. But I think they're perfect for giving out to friends and family.